Good morning, members. Let's start with this video. This video is the seventh video in this series of case studies, and we are going to study a very important case study, very much relevant for your exams of that is the registered value exam conducted by IBBI through NISM. So let's have a brief about this case study, what is there, and then solve the questions. So let's start. Puja is there is a company and one person is doing for investment perspective. They are doing the analysis. There is a Bajaj scooter petrol division is there, and that is the market leader of the industry, and it has only two competitors. This is a very strong brand name built and very well established also. And other than that, given the strong branding established by the market leader, the cost of entering the industry is very high. The cost of new entrants is very low. That is a positive feature for the entity. The Puja, that is the analyst, anticipates that the inexpensive imported small petrol fueled motorcycle may become substitutes for Bajaj petrol scooters. At this point of time, Bajaj is doing very good, but there is a threat that some inexpensive imported petrol scooters may come, and this may hamper the business or the position of the entity. Second, Puja uses return on invested capital. Invested capital means operating capital or the assets minus liabilities. That is how much the capital invested, how much return on that invested capital is generated. That is the measurement used by this analyst to assess the metric, the assess of Bajaj performance. The Bajaj has just introduced its first electric scooters in the 2016, and the expectation as well, electric computer scooters will reach in the market. 20 other market competitors will come to the market in electric scooters, but after 2 years. The electric scooters will not be the substitute. That means they are not going to affect our petrol scooters sales. And in the year of 2017 and 2018, we will do the research, and due to that, our scooters will be more efficient when the new entrants will come in 2018. Puja decides to use a 5 years horizon for the Bajaj after considering the following. It uses that for the forecasting period. We use the 5 years time period. Why so? They have given you three factors. The annual portfolio turnover of Bajaj is 30%. The electric scooter industry is expected to grow rapidly over the next 10 years. So this is the factor. If the growth of the scooter industry is going to be there for 10 years, then if they choose 5 year as a horizon period, that is perfectly fine for the calculation. Bajaj has just announced that it will acquire a light truck manufacturer that will fully integrate its trucks division, and 2% of the revenue will be increased. So based on this or this information, the two data is not having any relationship with the forecasting time period. The scenario 2 or the factor 2 is having the effect on your forecasting period. Then the information is given regarding the sensitivity analysis. Sensitivity analysis means how much those factors are going to affect your business. It says the price of an imported specialty material for the engine parts increases by 20%, and this metal constitutes 4% of Bajaj's cost of sales. So total cost, one product is going to change by 20%, but that product is only 4% of the cost of sales. And the detailed information is available for the petrol scooter division, commercial truck or electric scooter. So cost of sales is this much. Out of this, 4% part is going to be increased by 20%. So now the information that Bajaj will initially outsource its electric part, then after that it is trying to maintain his own factory or make his own factory, and then produce those products in his own factory. And according to that, there are two possible options for him, that it can sell its existing factory for 10 million and build a new factory for 61 million. That means the net cost will be 50 million, or refit the existing factory for these electric computers or electric scooters with expense of 54 million. So obviously the second alternative is having extra outflows. Now the questions: using the Porter's 5 forces analysis, which of the following competitive factors is likely to have the greatest impact on Bajaj scooter pricing power? So what is the factor according to Porter's 5 forces model that is going to affect me in this particular situation? Greatest impact on Bajaj petrol scooter. The option was the threat of substitutes. Now, what is the difference between threat of new entrants? New entrants mean new entities will come. There is heavy cost of entry given in the question. But the point is that the inexpensive imported scooters may come and they may hamper the business. They can affect to the great extent. Second question, metric used by Pooja to assess Bajaj performance takes into account the degree of financial leverage, the operating, there is no degree of financial leverage is concerned, the competitiveness relative to companies and other tax regimes, no question about tax regime. It said it will assess the performance of Bajaj scooters based on return to operating capital. Return to invested capital. Invested capital means generally the assets minus outside liabilities. So basically operating liabilities relative to operating assets. This is one of the measurement he used while calculating the or assessing the return of Bajaj scooters. Third, based on Bajaj's expectation, the gross profit margin of Bajaj electric scooter division in 2018 is most likely to be affected by. In 2018 electric scooters, we have made our electric scooters in 2016, but in 2018 the other entities will also come, so that will create a competition in the market, and due to that competition the performance or the gross profit margin is going to fall. Which of the factor best justifies a 5-year forecast horizon for Bajaj selected by Pooja? Obviously the time period of 10 years extra growth rate is the factor that is there, that is supporting the time horizon of 5 years, and that was factor 2. Then Pooja's sensitivity analysis will result in a decrease in 2017 base case profit margin closest to, if the one product's cost is going to be increased and this it is not possible for us to shift that price to the customers, then in that case the sensitivity analysis, where was sensitivity, and it was written Bajaj will not be able to pass along the high metal prices to its customers, so they have to bear the loss or the extra cost. So how much will be the extra cost, sir? This will be 210. Out of this 4% is the 210 is the cost of sales given in the question, and cost of sales 4% is the price of this particular product, and this is going to be increased 20%, so this much will be the amount of increase, and obviously if the cost of sales will increase, same amount the gross profit is going to decrease. And how much percentage that is on the sales? The answer is 0.55%. The last, Pooja's estimate of growth capital expenditure included in Bajaj property, plant and equipment under scenario 2 should be, please read the question very carefully, under 2 should be higher than scenario 1, because under scenario 1 it was 60 lakh, but 10 lakh can be recovered by selling the existing one, and in second one it requires 54 lakhs to be invested. So these were the 6 questions under this case study. Let's revise quickly and then we will finish this off. The first one is, as per the Porter 5 forces analysis, which is the factor that is going to affect the scooter division? The item is that substitutes, the substitute imported scooters will come. Then what performance measurement the analyst uses, that is your based on return on invested capital, that is operating capital, operating assets minus operating liabilities. Third, in 2018 the new entrants or the substitute or the competition will increase, and that is going to affect our profit margins, because other companies are also going to launch their electric scooters by the 2018. The next is, which factor best justifies the 5 years time horizon period? The answer is second factor, that basically says that for the next 10 years the growth rate will be high in electric scooters. The next is fifth, the practical part. One product is going to cost of one product is going to be increased, so how much proportionate decrease will be there in the price of the gross, or in the proportion of the gross margin percentage. So in the which will be having extra cost under scenario 2, the extra cost will be there. So this is all about. Please go through all the balance videos for better results, and if there is any doubt you can contact me on the number given in the description.